Hi everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. Today, in this video, we'll explain how to check Language Edition on Windows 10 so you can find out which Windows language version is installed on your PC. Step 1, click the Start menu and open Settings. This opens the main Windows settings window where system information is managed. Step 2, click on System and then select About from the left panel. The About section shows important details about your Windows installation. Step 3. Scroll down to the Windows Specifications area. Here you can see information like edition, version, and installation details. Step 4. Look for the entry called Windows Display Language. This tells you the current language edition being used by Windows 10. Step 5. If you want more details, go back to Settings and click Time and Language. Then select Language to see all installed language packs and options. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more simple and helpful Windows tutorials.